Hey everyone, my name is Luke Aberley and welcome back to Luke's View. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the new Apple AirPods Pro. And so I'm super pumped about doing this video. And yeah, let's jump right in. So right over here, I have my trusty unboxing knife, and something I'm really excited about is that these just came out, and so I'm kind of up to date with the unboxings and stuff now. So the Apple AirPods Pro is a big upgrade from the other ones because now they have active noise canceling, silicone ear tips, and they're different design, bigger case, and yeah, super pumped about this. And here's the box. And so if you guys are interested in more videos like this, leave a like down below and make sure to subscribe, and there will be affiliate links down below so you guys can check it out, and that gives my channel a little bit of profit so we can help out and keep doing these videos. So let's go right in. There we go. So put these to the side. We have to get to the boring stuff first. So we got some paperwork, more paperwork. I wonder if we have Apple stickers. I don't think so. Yeah, we don't have any Apple stickers this time, but that's okay. So it just tells you how to pair them. Lots of other stuff like that. We'll just put this to the side. And then we'll actually get to the Apple AirPods. So here we go. Here's that satisfying noise. Oh, then they just right off. There we go. Oh, this is like, so I've never actually seen Apple AirPods Pro. This is actually a big upgrade. So it's like has this all new like design. That's pretty cool. And then it's like a wider thing. The like hinge is different. So here you guys can see it before I can see it. Look at that. Let me see. Oh yeah, this is cool. So it's like the little stem part almost in a way is like smaller. Let's pop both of these out. Oh yeah, and the silicone ear tips are nice. So here's the case. Yeah, they're like smaller in a way. So let's see, so this one is the right, left. Oh yeah, they actually feel pretty nice. Oh, and the noise canceling is on right now too. So you can also, yeah, so it's like, it's good noise canceling actually. So this is actually, they're really cool, and they still have that nice glossy finish. And yeah, some people I think were maybe complaining that the microphone wasn't as good, but maybe it's gotten better, I don't know. So put these back in their case. And these are really cool. Yeah, this is yeah, very cool. And it's a different design too. It's like an all new design and everything. Yeah, so I'm super pumped to keep checking these out. And let's see what else we have in the package. So we got a little pull tab here. More silicone ear tips so it can adjust to your ears. And the nice thing about the silicone ear tips actually is that it's a better seal, but also for some people's ears they didn't really stay in because they're all glossy, so they're kind of slippery and weren't really good for workouts and stuff. But now these are a little bit better for that. And it also, they still come from the Apple AirPods 2. They also still come with a wireless charging case, so you can use it with your wireless charging docks. So here we have a USB-C to Lightning cable. And I've been noticing lately that Apple has been moving to USB-C more in a way where it's still Lightning, but it's USB-C to Lightning. So that means less cables, and so if you have your iPad Pro charger, or maybe even your MacBook charger, plug this into one end, and then yeah, pretty decent standard cord length. And yeah, these are really cool. I know all the tech guys. Shout out to Matthew Moynes. I think that's how you pronounce his name. Canoopsy, and all of those other tech guys, Justine, your average consumer. They all just put out their reviews, so I thought, why not I jump in and do a review too. So I hope this video gets lots of hype. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, leave a comment down below if you guys already have AirPods, if you're going to be upgrading to these, or sticking with the last year's gen. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.